वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। शंकर सनकारणतयसाई गर्भो दोषाई च पयवधीसाई शेषश्च जस्यांश काला शनित्यानंदकरं शरणं ममस्तु। नमो महामदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नम्ने गौरतीश नमः। लादिनी स्वरूपाय श्री गौरांग श्रीदोषते भक्त शक्ति स्वरूपाय श्री गदाधर नमस्तुते। महाविष्णुर जगत कर्ता मयो आज सृज्यतदम् तस्यावतारम् एवमद्वैताचार्यैश्वर अद्वैतं हरिनाद्वैत आचार्य भक्ति संसनाद भक्तावतारम् ईशनं तमद्वैत आचार्य आश्रये। शिवास पंडितं नौमि गौरांग प्रियो पार्षदं यस्य कृपा लभेनापि श्री गौरांग जयते रति। पंचतत्वात्मकं कृष्णं भक्तरूप स्वरूपकं भक्तावतारं भक्ताक्षं नमामि भक्त शक्तिकम्। सब हाथ जोड़ करिए, रीढ़ का हड्डी सीधा करिए, हमारा पीछे पीछे बोलिए, हमारा पीछे पीछे हाथ जोड़, हाथ उठा कर नहीं, हाथ जोड़ कर। प्लीज फोल्ड योर palm, keep your spine straight and repeat after me. Okay, we are going to pay obeisance to Balaram today. Balaram Purnima, Balaram appearance day, therefore, okay. Namaste tu halagramo, namaste musalaudho, नमस्ते रेवतीकांत, नमस्ते भक्तवत्सल, नमस्ते बलिनांग श्रेष्ठ, नमस्ते धरणी धरो, प्रलंबारे नमस्ते तु, त्राहि मां कृष्ण पूर्वजा। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधो दीन बंधु जगतपते, गोपेश गोपिका कांत, राधा कांत नमस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वृंदावै तुलसी देव्यै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च विष्णु भक्ति पदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हाथ उठाओ, raise your hand, fix your mind towards Radha Krishna in transcendental Vrindavan and chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra with me. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. All glories to Gauranga. Guru Gauranga Jai Ho. All glories to His divine grace, Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. All glories to His divine grace, Paramahansa Kula Chudamani Thakur Srila Gaur Kishora Das Babaji Goswami Maharaj. All glories to His divine grace, Satchidananda Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. All glories to His divine grace, Vaishnava Sarvabhauma Sri Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Goswami Maharaj. All glories to assembled devotees. All glories to Baladev Purnima. All glories to the appearance day of Balaram. All glories to Rohini Devi. All glories to Reboti. All glories to Gauriya Vaishnava. How many Hindi speaking, or how many English speaking, how many Bengali speaking? Show me your hand. English speaking, show me your hand. 2, 3. Only 2, 3. हाँ, अच्छा, हिंदी, so which language I speak? English. Today is the appearance day of Balaram. First of all, we have to know who is Balaram. Balaram is manifestation form of Sri Krishna. Manifestation. Same Krishna with another form, Balaram. Balaram is Sandhini Shakti, means Sandhini means Sandhini means existential potency. Shakti means potency, existential potency. Why? Why it is most important part for all of us? Dham, holy Dham, while sitting Vrindavan Dham, it is Sandhini Shakti. Temple, Singhasan, whatever instrument we are using to serve Lord, that is called Sandhini Shakti. Like Karatal, playing Mridanga, Balaram. Singhasan, throne, by Narottam Das Thakur clearly explained to us. Balaram appeared in this Iron Age in the form of Nityananda Prabhu. And there is a song written by Narottam Das Thakur. And he explained like this way. Nitaya Pado Kamalo Koti Chandro Sushitalo Je Chaya Jagoto Jurayo Nitaya Pado Kamalo, lotus feet of Lord Nityananda means Balaram. Koti Chandro, millions of moon, one moon make entire world become cool. Million moon, Koti Chandro, Sushitalo, completely cool. Why? Because it is called without Nityananda, without Balaram mercy, we are not able to get Krishna. We are not able to reach Krishna. Where is Krishna? There is peace, eternal peace, eternal bliss, eternal love. Do you like this? Huh? Where is love? Where is peace? Where is happiness? There is Sushita, completely cool. We don't want anything. We need peace. We need happiness. We need eternally love. Koti Chandra Sushitala. All millions of moon, equivalent of Lord Nityananda's lotus feet. Millions of moon, how make that moons make atmosphere cool, completely cool. That cool atmosphere we can have the lotus feet of Balaram, Nityananda. Then very interesting. Nitayero Koruna Habe Braje Radha Krishna Pabe ধরণিতায়ের চরণ দুখানি। If we have chance to serve, we can to Krishna Vrindavan extensional potency. Without the instrument, like if someone just chanting without mridanga, how you feel? Without karotal musical instrument, whatever Lord Chaitanya prescribed, not harmonium. Harmonium more glorious, but Lord Chaitanya has no, he's not showing us harmonium, violence, nothing. Gong, gang, 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 karotal, and then mridanga. If someone just feel that's good, that make you feel happy, we need karotal, we need mridanga. Then we can see nice atmosphere, peaceful atmosphere. This therefore, without Nityananda's mercy, we are not able to serve Radha Krishna. Hari Radha Krishna, Hari Holy Dham. We want to singing for Radha Krishna, we need Nityananda's mercy. Balaram mercy. Anyway, so Nityananda is Sandhini Shakti, Balaram Sandhini Shakti. Am I clear or not? সকলে বুঝতে পারছেন? Look, before Krishna, in the womb of Devaki, before Krishna, who appeared? Before Krishna, Krishna is the 8th womb of Devaki, right? So before Krishna, 7th womb, who appeared? Why? Because if you really want to go any places for preaching, we are sending the advance party, right? But nowadays, no advance party. Everybody go together. Or which preacher, he will go there, make atmosphere ready, then helper will come. But spiritual world different. First, advance party, they will prepare all the situation, proper preaching atmosphere, then preacher will come, giving discourses, for giving discourses. Because Kali Yuga, everything upside down. Before, devotee used to beg to serve Guru Vaishnava Bhagavan. Now Guru should beg to serve all the devotees. Am I right or wrong? हमारा बात समझ में आया कि पहले ऐसा था, गुरु वैष्णव का सेवा करने के लिए भक्त लोग भिक्षा करते थे। अभी गुरु को भिक्षा करने पड़ेगा भक्तों को सेवा करने के लिए। सच ना झूठ? ऐसा ही, इसलिए बोल रहा कली युग, एवरीथिंग अपसाइड डाउन, सब उल्टा हो गया कली युग में। तो जो भी हो, लेकिन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू नो Balaram Balaram appeared before Krishna in the womb of Devaki. But why we are talking about Rohini? We say Rohini Nandan. We are chanting the early morning Vrindavan Parikrama. What do you say? Jaya Ram Ghata Jaya Rohini Nandana Jaya Jaya Vrindavana Basi Jata Jana Ram Ghata Rohini Nandan. Why Rohini Nandan? Because Kamsa decided when, actually long history, I don't like to go through, who are the six sons of Devaki's first six sons. According to Jiva Goswami, writing that, he wrote that the sixth son, it was six senses. Last, Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moho, Mado, Matsarya. Last, when Kamsa forcefully taking Devaki's first son, that is Jiva Goswami explained, last is not easy to give up, but we have to force. Six senses is not easy to control, but we have to force. As soon as we are able to conquer the six senses, then we can get initiation. The real initiation takes place. Therefore, seventh tomb, first sixth tomb, then seventh tomb, appears Sankarshan, Balaram. Mul Sankarshan is Balaram. Real initiation takes place. Real initiation. Am I clear? Mahadev Prabhu. Therefore, when real initiation takes place in our life, then we can have Krishna, meet Krishna. जब तक छह रिपु को काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह, मदो, मत्सर्य, छह को हमारा बस में नहीं ले सकता, तब तक असली दीक्षा तो नहीं हो सकता। ऐसा ही सिद्धांत तो दिखाया आनंद वृंदावन चंपू में। टीका में लिखा और क्या बोला, जब होगा तब दीक्षा होगा। क्या दीक्षा? असली दीक्षा होगा। असली दीक्षा मतलब वो सतवा गर्भ में बलराम आया। लेकिन कंस का लक्ष्य क्या था? देवकी का 8 संतान का पूरा खत्म कर दो। पहले लक्ष्य नहीं थे, लेकिन नारद मुनि उनको उलझा दिया। First, it was not the target of Kamsa to kill all the 8 womb of Devaki, but Narad Muni came and he just encouraged Kamsa. Hey, don't think all the god and goddesses, Dev and Devi, how they count you don't know. From this way or that way, you don't know. Better for you to kill everyone. Kill everyone. सबसे अच्छा है सबको मार दो। क्यों? जितना तुम मरोगे उतना पाप का घड़ा भरेगा, जितना जल्दी पाप का घड़ा भर जाएगा उतना जल्दी भगवान प्रकट होंगे। भगवान प्रकट जब होंगे तो जगत में धर्म प्रतिष्ठित होगा। Therefore, इसलिए नारद मुनि उलझाया, मार दो सब, मार दो, पाप का घड़ा भर दो। Therefore, Narad Muni encourage, Kamsa, hey, you are foolish. You don't know how God and goddesses, they are counting process. You don't know the counting process. How they count, which is the eight whom no one knows. Better for you to kill everyone. Why? Because how quickly Kamsa's sinful pot will fill up. That much quickly Lord will appear for establishing, re-establishing dharma. Anyway, whatever may be. So Kamsa has desire to kill everyone, therefore, Sankarshan, Mahashankarshan, Maha-akarshan, great attraction. Vasudev have two wives, Devaki and Rohini. Devaki in the jail, then Krishna's arrangement. Mahashankarshan process, that whom have been transferred from Devaki's womb to Rohini's womb. All of a sudden Rohini Devi become pregnant. Get pregnancy. Then what happened? Rohini Devi felt reluctant. My husband is there in jail. Me. Then Lord gave him the explanation. Anyway, so in that way Balaram is Rohini's son. Rohini Nandan, Devaki's womb, he transferred to Rohini's womb. In that way, Balaram is son of Rohini Devi. Am I clear? So, I have to know, without Balaram, mercy, we are not able to get any service of Krishna. No service. Without Mridanga, without Karotal, without Singhashan, all the instrument what is needed to serve Lord, it is all Balaram Tattva. The Karotal we should not keep on the floor. Okay, Kirtan finish floor. Mridanga Kirtan finish floor. Right? That means we are ignoring Balaram. So anyway, this Balaram Pranam mantra, what I chanted. Namaste tuhalagrama. Namaste musalaudho. Namaste revati kanto. Namaste bhakta vatsala. Bhakta vatsala, affection toward devotees. Then the Palambare Namas. Pralambasur, killed by who? Dhanukasur, killed by who? Balaram. Very interesting, you know. Chaitanya Charitamrita, the 4th chapter, if you read, then you can see. Krishna appeared, Devaki's womb. Appear, not born. Devaki have no liver pain. But Yashoda had liver pain. Then, actually, Krishna with 4 arms is Vishnu. Then Vasudev carry that Vasudev Krishna. Vasudev carry the Vasudev Krishna, to whom we say Vishnu, Vasudev Krishna. When Krishna in Dwaraka is Vishnu. Krishna in Vrindavan is Swayam Bhagavan Krishna, only playing flute. So, both places Krishna is there. But the Vasudev Krishna, Vasudev Krishna, Vasudev Krishna carry by Vasudev to Gokul Mahavan. As soon as the rich in Gokul Mahavan, the merge, Vasudev Krishna and Swayam Bhagavan Krishna merge each other. Become one. Krishna তখন বিষ্ণু তখন কৃষ্ণের শরীরে কৃষ্ণ দ্বারে বিষ্ণু করে অসুর সংহারে This is Vishnu merged with Krishna, Swayam Bhagavan Krishna. And whatever Krishna killed demon, Aghasur, Bagasur, Kagasur, all the demon, actually, outwardly we can see it's killed by Krishna, but actually it is killed by Vishnu. Vishnu dare Krishna kare osura sanghare. Outwardly look Krishna, but actually Vishnu is killing. Vishnu, Krishna and Vishnu merge. Anyway, very difficult for understanding this Baladev Tattva, vast Tattva. So anyway, I like to tell you that one thing. I think all of you know that Bali Maharaj's son, Banasur. Banasur is worshipper of Shiva. Shiva accept him, his son, like Kartikeya. Yeah. Shiva gave him 1,000 arms. Banasur have daughter Usha. Dwarakadhish Krishna and Vishnu. His grandson Aniruddha and Usha have, they are like each other. They want to marry. Right? So, but Banasur is powerful. Aniruddha powerful, but he was defeated by Banasur. Then Krishna came. Krishna has desired Banasur daughter and his grandson Aniruddha to marry each other. That time, That time, Banasura was completely against Krishna's proposal. Then Banasura says, how can I do? You are Gwala, I am Kshatriya, as per caste, I am higher than you. You are two-hand, I have thousands arms. Only 2 arms you have, I have 1,000 arms. Then Krishna cut 998 arms, cut it out. But still, Banasura doesn't agree to arrange his daughter wedding with Aniruddha. Then Krishna called Sudarshan. When Sudarshan appeared, then Lord Shiva appeared. So, Prabhu, Prabhu, he is my son, please take off your Sudarshan Chakra. Then Banasura realized he was thinking, my Shiva is supreme. Now he realized Krishna is supreme. Then he surrendered to Krishna. Then that time Krishna promised, I will not kill anybody from your dynasty. But somehow or other, if you just remember Talban, you know Talban? Where is it? Talban, anybody see? Talban dekha? Talban dekhecho? Huh? Talban e ghotona ki? What is the history in Talban? Talban, there is a demon named Dhanukasur. Who is Dhanukasur? Banasura's son, Sahosik. How he became Dhanukasur? Danki. How he became Danki? Demon in the form of Danki. How? Because at the place where Durvasa Rishi meditating, at that time, Sahosik, Banasura's son, Sahosik, he went there with so many girls. For breaking their chastity. Naturally, noise. He make noise. Durvasa Rishi's meditation broke. And Durvasa Rishi, out of anger, he said, hey, what you are doing? You are just like a donkey. I am cursing you. Become a donkey. Said that donkey become Dhanukasur. Expanded so many families. But Krishna with his cowherd boys, with Balaram, together they went to that place, the plum trees there, Talban, very juicy, creamy, sweety, creamy, juicy, sweety fruits. Yesterday someone made for me the tal fluri, very tasty. I don't know who, but as soon as that fruits is there, all the cowherd boys, they're nagging Krishna, please, let us get the tal. So anyway, when that noise, all the cowherd boys are nagging, that Krishna Balaram shaking the palm tree and tal falling from the tree on the bottom of the ground. The sound is there. with the sound, Dhanukasur get up. He was sleeping. And he coming. Krishna knew everything. Krishna can kill Dhanukasur. But Krishna pushing Balaram, do this. Why? Krishna promised Banasur, I don't want to kill from the members of your dynasty. I don't want to kill any member of your dynasty. Balaram killed. Actually, all the demon killed by Balaram. Who is actually Balaram? I explain first. Balaram is Krishna's manifestation form. Why? Several times I explained different places. Krishna has desire to make a drama. What I say? Krishna has desire to make a drama. Krishna has desire to make a drama. All we are here to make a drama. In order to make a drama, prepare all the drama stage, actor, Krishna expand with his four form, Sanksha avatar. From his body he expanded four form, Vasudev, Sankarshan, Pradyumna, Aniruddha. More Sankarshan is Balaram. Balaram, in order to serve Krishna, he expanded to make a stage for a drama, make all the actor for drama, director of drama. Actually, Kshirodakshayi Mahavishnu, Paramatma, is director. Mahashankarshan, actually, Karnodakshayi Mahavishnu, Garbhodakshayi Mahavishnu, Kshirodakshayi Mahavishnu, Mahashankarshan, and Shesh. 5 form Balaram expand to serve Krishna. To serve Krishna. Karnodakshayi Mahavishnu putting his vision towards illusion, he created this illusion in this world. Then Garbhodakshayi Mahavishnu from his navel appeared fast living being, fast actor, Brahma. Who is Brahma? Brahma is passion incarnation of Krishna. Passion. Mode of passion incarnation of Krishna. Rajagun avatar. Whose Rajagun avatar? Krishna's Rajagun avatar, Brahma. Who is Vishnu? Mode of goodness incarnation of Krishna, Vishnu. Who is Shiva? Mode of darkness incarnation of Krishna. Everybody connected with Krishna. All are actors. So then from Brahma all we are here. All we are actors. What is the role of our acting? Or role of the drama? Whatever you do, everything do for me, Krishna says. Do for me only. As long as you think this is for me, then you are disqualified actor. When you become qualified actor, easily we can be delivered. Krishna will accept us from there. From here. Here means miserable, mundane world. Miserable. So, this is our purpose of human being, to become qualified actor. Director, who is this? Shirodakshai Mahavishnu. And then Ananta Shesh. In that way, Balaram serving in every aspect to Lord Krishna. Am I clear? Huh? Balaram serving in every aspect. You know, I can give one more example that when Ramchandra appeared, that time Balaram became younger. Why? Because when Ramchandra was in exile, bare feet, walking, thorn, inject to his feet, lots of pain. But because of younger brother, he is not able to give any order to his elder brother Ramchandra, Vasudeva Krishna. Therefore, he requests, Prabhu, next life, my request, he should be younger than me, then I can serve you properly. Am I clear what I say? Am I clear what I say? Or what I'm trying to say? अरे बोल क्या कुछ बोला नहीं तो बोलता नहीं हाँ अरे वो सुनाई देना শোনা যাচ্ছে না বলছে শুনতে পাচ্ছেন আমি এখানে ফ্যান চলছে ঘাঙ্গা ঘাঙ্গা হচ্ছে साउंड रिपीट हो रहा अच्छा শোনা যাচ্ছে না আবার শুনতে পাচ্ছে না আচ্ছা বলদেব in order to serve Krishna he expanded and actually Krishna expanded 4 forms. No, Baladev expanded 5 forms. Or Karanadakshay Mahavishnu. He put his vision towards illusion and create this material world. Material world is considering like a stage for drama. Because Krishna has desired to make a drama. For drama need a stage. The material world is like a stage for a drama. All we are living being, we are actor of the drama. কি? So, actor of the drama. What is the role of our role of us? What is our role? Role is do everything for the service of Krishna. Everything, whatever you do, marriage for the service of Krishna. Conceiving child for service of Krishna. Getting education, study for the service of Krishna. Make money, make a big house for the service of Krishna. Why? Krishna is the actual owner of the house. Anyway, the long history, I know. I don't like to go through that. In that every aspect, when you are able to serve Krishna, then we can say we are qualified actor. Otherwise, we are disqualified actor. Selling cow is the service of Krishna. If I sold out the cow to one person who has slaughterhouse, this service of, do you consider it a service of Krishna? Why not? कृष्णानंद, गाय को बिक दिया तो क्या सोचोगे? कृष्ण सेवा के लिए बिका? हाँ, गाय बिकना चाहिए। कृष्ण serving cow, and if you're selling cow, serving cow, selling cow, cow is not the goods for us. Anyway, in every aspect, each activities, we should try our best way to serve Krishna. When we become successful, then we are qualified actor. As soon as we become qualified actor, then Krishna will take us from this miserable mundane world. Am I clear, Prabhu? Hari Bol. Clear? Huh? So this is the Balaram. Balaram is actually managing all us. All. Without Balaram, we are not able to do anything. We are not able to get any service. Therefore, Narottam Thakur wrote this. Nitayer Karuna Have Broje Radha Krishna Pave, means Radha Krishna service we can get through Balaram mercy, Nityananda's mercy. Therefore, today is a very important day for all of us. We have to gain Balaram mercy. So anyway, the Balaram killed Dhanukashur, Pralambashur. And if you look another way, then you can see all the demonic person actually killed by Balaram, Vishnu, in the form of Krishna. Who says so? Actually explained by Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Pad in Chaitanya Charitamrita. He explained that. How? What? Vishnu Takhon Krishner Sharire. When Vasudev bought that one basket from Mathura to Gokul Mahavan, Vasudev Krishna, Balaram, Vishnu, he merged with Yashoda Krishna. Therefore he says, Vishnu Takhon Krishner Sharire. Vishnu Dare Krishna Kare Asura Sanghare. Am I clear? Huh? Very clear. Actually, it is very difficult to understand, but we have to understand by the grace of Balaram, by the grace of Guru Tattva, Gurudev. Balaram, what? Balaram, what happened? Balaram is such important that today we can see, we are very fortunate that today is Baladev Purnamasi and we are sitting in front of Dauji temple. Dauji means Balaram. Dauji means Balaram. And this temple also installed, that deity also installed by Advaita Acharya's 7th generation, Vijaya Krishna Goswami. The deity, whatever deity we have here, this is installed by Vijaya Krishna Goswami, who is 7th generation of Advaita Acharya's family. We are Srila Prabhupada Parivar family. Prabhupada took initiation from Srila Gaura Kishora Das Babaji Goswami Maharaj. Gaura Kishora Das Babaji Goswami Maharaj also belongs to Advaita Parivarar family. Advaita Acharya's 6 sons, 3 are devotee. One is Achyutananda, Krishna Mishra, and Gopal Mishra. This Gopal. But we are coming from the Krishna Mishra dynasty. In this way, we are actually Advaita Parivar sitting in front of the Dauji, which is installed by Advaita's family. So we are fortunate or not? Just to think about it. Do you consider we are fortunate? So, Balaram, just to think, whenever Balaram not with Krishna, Krishna always making chaos. Physically, like Kaliya Nag. When Kaliya Daman Lila, that day Balaram was not with Krishna. One ball, foot tennis ball. There Krishna purposely, during the playing with the cowherd boys, purposely throwing to that place where Kaliya Nag is there. Even this poison of Kaliya Nag is such a powerful. The crow going through on the sky, if it is that area he crossing, crow is falling down with this burning sensation of the Kaliya Nag poison. Several cows, when they went to drink the water from the part of the Jamuna, they also passed away. Therefore, Krishna has desire to deliver Kaliya and kick him out from the Vrindavan. Therefore, Krishna purposely threw this ball to that place, and then all the cowherd boys, that time Balaram was not there. That time, cowherd boys, they're nagging Krishna, you throw the ball, we need this ball. Okay, Krishna said, okay. Krishna just going to this, climb up to the tree, and from the tree he jumped to that river, Jamuna river. Jamuna river. And then bleeding coming. Blood coming. And then Madhumangal goes there, convey the message to Jashoda, Nanda Maharaj. They are crying, oh Narayan, and Narayan. Narayan means shelter of all living beings. He is in their home in the form of Krishna, but they are not able to realize it. Oh Narayan, please protect my son. Blood coming, blood coming. Actually, Krishna has desire to deliver. And Kaliya Nag, actually before, if you look the history, then you can say Kaliya Nag, before his life, he was a king, but he committed offense to Agastya Rishi. That king committed offense to Agastya Rishi. While the king was in a morning walk, that his messenger, very bad manner, very, very disrespectful manner, one old sage who was sitting in the middle of the road. They moved him out of the road, move him out from the middle of the road. It was Augusta Rishi. King saw it, but never complained. Like, if I see someone is doing something wrong in this temple campus, that sinful reaction come to me and come to this temple president, like Abadud Maharaj here. Sannyasi also, if he's there. Sannyasi is supposed to be judge, right? But if he becomes silent, then reaction comes to us. Ragye chamatamaja dosha. Padni papam sabattani. Shishakrita papam guru prapti nishchitam. Artha. If king is there, but if someone, a citizen, they are doing so many sinful activities, that sinful reaction come to the king. Transfer all sinful reaction, transfer to king. If wives doing something wrong, sinful activities, that sinful reaction come to the husband. আপনারা জানেন তো নাকি, যদি স্ত্রী যদি কোনো অন্যায় কাজ করে, পাপ কাজ করে, সে পাপ পতির উপর বর্তে যায়, পতির উপর এসে যায়। এই জন্য সতী সাধ্বী স্ত্রী সবসময় ভালো সাবধানে চলে। যারা সত্যিকারে পতিব্রতা নারী, তারা কখনো পাপ কাজে নিজেকে লিপ্ত করবে না। सती साध्वी पत्नी को सावधानी से चलना चाहिए। पाप कर्म हमेशा के लिए पति के ऊपर आ जाएंगे। और शिष्य भी ऐसा, शिष्य जब कुछ करेगा तो बात सुनेगा नहीं, उल्टा सीधा काम करने का विचार ले लिया, पाप कर्म का, पाप का बोझ, everything come to Guru. The Guru is very responsible position. So we have to be careful. For giving initiation, if that person not following accordingly, then if he did any mistake, any sinful activities involved, it will transfer all the sinful reaction. Guru prapti nishchitam. Therefore, we should be very, very careful about what we are going to do. Anyway, so just to think about Balaram. Balaram is Guru. So we have to be very careful. Want to be delivered from this material world. You have to be perfect actor, qualified actor. Then we can be delivered, otherwise not. Qualified actor means Do everything for Krishna's services. No matter which ashram you are. So Balaram is such embodiment. He is everywhere. All over Balaram, Baladev Tattva. Even if you look, Raghunath Das Goswami or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, incident happened, no? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was in Santipur. Raghunath Das Goswami came and proposed him, Prabhu, I like to get renounce order. What Chaitanya Mahaprabhu replied? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saw that he is not able, he is not getting Nityananda mercy yet. How can I give him permission to take renounce order? Therefore, what he said, Sthir hoya. Mahaprabhu says, Sthir ho, fix your mind. Ghare jao, back to home. Naho batul, don't be naughty. Why he is naughty? He's supposed to get mercy from Lord Nityananda first, then he can come. Raghunath Das Goswami is not ordinary person. In this matter, in the spiritual abode, he is Roti Manjari. He is actually Asharja Prayojanta, ultimate need, Prayojan Tattva. He is Roti Manjari. আপনি বলবেন? তো অনেক সময় হয়ে গেছে তো। আপনি বলবেন কিছু? তাহলে ছেড়ে দেবো আমি। তা হয়তো আমি বললে সব হবে না, সকলকে বলতে হবে না। যাও, আমি 2 মিনিটের মধ্যে ছেড়ে দেবো, তারপর আপনি বলুন। বাংলা বলুন, অনেকে বাংলায় ভাষা তো আমি শুনছেন আমি। হ্যাঁ, ভালো তো। Listen. So Raghunath Das Goswami is such a great personalities, but he was also refused by Lord Chaitanya because he was not yet get that. Raghunath Das Goswami came and then he paid obeisance to Lord Nityananda from far. You are keeping yourself far from me. Today I am getting you. I'll give a punishment. What punishment? Feeding all the devotees. That time he Chiradadi Mahotsav. Do you have any idea about ripe jackfruit? Kathal. Who like kathal, jackfruit, ripe jackfruit? Show me your hand. You don't like ripe jackfruit? Who likes? Show me this boy hand. Everybody like ripe jackfruit, huh? Good. So anyway, so look. All the steps Chiladadi Mahotsav, then he got mercy. In that way, he got mercy from Lord Nityananda. Then Lord Chaitanya explained like such a way. Sthir hoya ghare jao naho batul krome paye logo bhavo sindhukul markat vairagya nakaralaka dekhaiya যথা যজ্ঞ বিষয় ভুঞ্জ অনাসক্ত হইয়া অন্তরে নিষ্ঠা কর বাহ্য লোক ব্যবহার অচিরাত কৃষ্ণ তোমায় করিবেন উদ্ধার. I think all of you have some idea about the nature of monkey. Markot means monkey. Monkey in Vrindavan, just to go out of the temple with your spect and chashma, what is going to happen? It will be on your eyes or your goes somewhere else. Phone, telephone, speaking, they can see speaking but no phone anymore. Huh? So monkey, how his lifestyle taking only fruits, veg, no meat product, no home, staying under the tree. But by nature, they are keeping so many wives and nasty activity you can see. Vrindavan. It's a markat vairagya. Don't show your renounce like a monkey. And whenever we are not getting Nityananda's mercy, that means Krishna will not accept any service from us. There are Lord Chaitanya not accepting any service from Raghunath Das until he is not getting mercy from Lord Nityananda. Then he says, Antara nishtha kara bajje loko babhara achirat Krishna tamaya kariben uddhara. Please keep sound faith on me. Whatever behavior is supposed to keep with everyone, do it. Don't ignore your duties and responsibilities. This is the instruction Lord Chaitanya gave. Ashirat Krishna tamaya kariben uddhara. All of a sudden Krishna will deliver you. Actually, he himself, Krishna, he never say, I will deliver you. Lord Chaitanya never say, I will deliver you. Ashirat Krishna tamaya kariben uddhara. Then what happened? I think I will explain evening time more. I'm just jumping here and there. No? So now, our Gopinath Das Babaji, His Holiness Gopinath Das Babaji Goswami Maharaj will speak in Bengali language. But listen, his Harikatha, any language, no matter, listen carefully, it will work. Hare Krishna. Obviously, 12 o'clock, 12 minutes speaking.